In this video, we will start discussing about Thyme Leaf by creating it to display the data in UI. Thyme Leaf expects the templates to present in source main resources folder in templates folder. Let me create the Thyme Leaf template by adding the Thyme Leaf dependency. Open the form.xml. Here in this project we have already have basic application project and the controller class hello.java. The main theme of this project is to display the data in UI by using the Thyme Leaf. So for that, add the dependency, Thyme Leaf dependency. Control Shift format and Control save. Yeah, it is running now. Build completed. Control M. So here let me create the Thyme Leaf template. The templates folder. Right click there. Here we should remember one point that JSP doesn't supported by springboot. So for that, in order to build the Thyme Leaf template, we should compulsory take the HTML file. The HTML. Next, take the file name as hello.html. Click on next. Finish. Let me print something like, hi, this is Java E planet. Yeah, here take the lines HTML XMLNS PH equal to HTTP colon / thymeleaf.org. Control Shift format. Control save. Here in this controller class, we should return not .jsp, but we should take HTML. Control save. Yeah, everything was clear now. Let me run the project. No, sorry, run as springboot. App. Let me open the console. Yeah, it is taking some time. Yeah, the version is 2.1.4 release. Spring Boot version, and we have embedded Tomcat. Yes, it is started. The application is running now. Everything was clear. Let me run the program and get the output. Let me run the application. Slash. Yeah, here you go. Hi, this is Java Planet. That's all about Thyme Leaf. We have displayed the data in the UI by using the Thyme Leaf. That's all. A simple application using Thyme Leaf.